Alright, what's good, y'all? So, as y'all see by the thumbnail and title, we was cutting the dreads off after 2 years. No, it ain't been 2 years, y'all, but I'm finna cut my dreads off. I'm gonna put in the clip where I put my dreads in. Well, I'm gonna put it at the end of the video, but I just put them in, but I'm finna cut them off again. That's what they're looking like. My brother finna cut them off. Y'all can catch him at Dub Cuts.
Look on me on Booksy, Indicator, Illinois, man.
I'm gonna put it right here for y'all. So if y'all in the area, y'all can tap in, but yeah, I'm finna cut them off, y'all.
Let's get it.
I don't give a fuck.
This shit is crazy.
Cut them off again, y'all.
It's personal, man. It's personal, man. Look like Kodak now.
Straight wicks.
Straight wigs.
But as y'all can see, I just cut my hair off. Do I look different? Nah, I don't look too different. Y'all just see me like this.
Rugrats.
I like. I'm finna show y'all what my head look like around.
Where you at, Pope? I would chop with me. This bitch had asked me if I'm wheezy. Bitch, I'm wheezy for the night. I told Max I'm trying to hold the lemon squeezy for the night. They gon' fuck around and find out. Groovy bitch, I introduced the oxy, wanna line now. We got type of shit that's scared.
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. Hey, go ahead, collard green head that boy. Oh, head that boy, yo, dirt that boy, snake ass boy, afro head that boy, chin that boy, ugly ass boy, ugly ass, dirt that.
As y'all can see, we just cut my hair off. Let me know what y'all think down below. What? Yeah, boy. Stick to the end. Make sure to check bro out. I'm gonna pop it up a few times. Put a link in the description for y'all. And then if y'all like, comment, subscribe. Just a cut. Let me know what y'all think, and I'm going.